Oh, hey, this might kill me, but first I need to learn to sleep with wires, pillows, and pain. See, I used to think sleep was simple. Lay down, close your eyes, let the Sandman do his thing. Oh, and I was a good sleeper. I could sleep anywhere, anytime. Heck, I could even sleep standing up if I needed to. Post-surgery, not so much. Sleep is now a team-building exercise between my body, my brain, and the dozen pillows I have arranged like a padded obstacle course. So, if you are going through heart surgery, here are some pillow configurations that at least almost worked for me. Number one, the wedge of denial. That's a big giant triangle pillow under the back. Feels like you're being propped up for a viewing. Number two, the chest fort. That is a small pillow under each arm with one big one across the sternum like body armor. Great for those big coughs to keep your chest intact. Great for protection, terrible for turning. Takes an entire army to move that fort. Number three, the side tilt sacrifice. If you're like me, I used to sleep on my side. That was my preferred sleeping position. Oh, that's a sacrifice now. Got to prop up enough pillows under your head, under your shoulder, around your body so that you're not just being crushed the entire time. Number four, the couch cushion slide. Not as much a configuration as me just slowly sliding down the couch into what I know is a bad condition. Yeah, something that's going to take a crane to lift me up. And finally, the overhead recovery arch. That is an arm above the head, pillow under the elbow, looking like I'm just waiting on a lifeguard to save me. Over here! Over here! Oh. And I said that was the final one because the final one is not really as much a sleep position as it is the, quote, just give up and cry. No pillows, no plan, just shame, sweat, and praying that that melatonin will kick in any second. It doesn't matter what you do. Every position is either too much pressure, not enough support, and somehow all of them lead to the same outcome. Me awake at 3 a.m., trying to Google how to sleep after heart surgery without becoming a yoga pose. So yeah, this might kill me. But first, I need to find a sleep position that doesn't require an engineer, a priest, and a warning label. See y'all after my nap.